They say the strongest connections are built without words, and that's exactly what we're diving into today. How can you make her value you, respect you, and even fear losing you without ever saying a word? The answer lies not in games or manipulation, but in becoming the man whose presence speaks louder than anything else. It starts with your energy. Women are subconsciously drawn to men who carry calm confidence. The way you hold yourself, your posture, the way you move through a room, all of this communicates power and value far before you speak. Stand tall, walk with purpose, and maintain a calm, controlled demeanor. This is your silent signal. I am someone worth noticing, worth keeping. Next is emotional control. Nothing destroys attraction faster than a man who overreacts or becomes desperate for validation. Learn to manage your emotions. When she tests boundaries or flirts subtly, respond with measured calm. Your restraint tells her you are grounded, and grounded men are magnetic. Scarcity is another unspoken language of attraction. Being too available diminishes desire. Pursue your passions, have your own life, and create moments where she realizes your attention is valuable. Absence doesn't make the heart grow fonder, but knowing she might lose you certainly does. Your actions often speak louder than words. Small gestures, confident decisions, and consistency in your life signal that you are a man of value. When you live intentionally, it naturally makes her respect and desire you more. She sees you thriving, and in turn, she feels lucky to have you in her world. Physical presence is equally important. Subtle touches, confident eye contact, and controlled proximity can communicate attraction without saying a word. Lean in when appropriate, maintain strong posture, and let your presence linger. It's not about invading her space. It's about creating a silent tension that keeps her captivated. Then comes mystery. Never reveal everything about yourself at once. Keep layers. When she can't fully read you, she invests more energy into understanding you. Curiosity fuels attraction. The less predictable you are, the more she notices your presence, and the more she fears what it would feel like to lose you. Finally, your values and standards must be clear without being preachy. Live by them unapologetically. A man who stands firm in his principles naturally commands respect. When she sees that your life doesn't revolve around her validation, she feels the weight of your absence, and that without a single word makes her afraid to lose you. The truth is, words are optional. Presence, energy, actions, and emotional mastery say more than any conversation ever could. Become that man who doesn't chase, who doesn't beg, and who doesn't compromise his worth. She will feel it. She will respect it. And she will fear losing it. If you found this guide valuable, hit like, share it with someone who needs to see this, and subscribe for more insights into becoming the man who commands respect, attraction, and desire, without ever having to say a word.